In the lush realm of Eldoria, where magic thrived and creatures of legend roamed, a dark shadow loomed over the peaceful village of Eldenwood. The once bustling market square now lay silent, as whispers of an ancient curse spread fear among its residents. At the heart of this tale is Aara. Orphaned at a young age, she was raised by the village herbalist, who taught her the ways of nature and the secrets of the arcane. His closest companion was Finn, a clever silver-furred fox with a knack for finding trouble. With his quick wit and playful spirit, he kept Alaara's heart light even in the darkest of times. Together they often explored the enchanted Whispering Woods, a place filled with shimmering lights and the soft hum of magic. One fateful evening, as twilight painted the sky in hues of purple and gold, a mysterious figure appeared at the edge of the village. It was Kale, a brooding knight clad in dark armor, his eyes reflecting the weight of a tragic past. He had come seeking Alaara's help to break the curse that had befallen his homeland, a once vibrant kingdom now shrouded in eternal night. Aara, driven by a sense of adventure and the desire to protect her home, agreed to assist Kale. Together with Finn, they embarked on a perilous journey through treacherous mountains and enchanted forests, facing mythical beasts and solving ancient riddles. Along the way, Aara discovered her true potential, unlocking powerful spells that resonated with the very essence of the land. As they reached the heart of the cursed kingdom, they confronted the source of the darkness, a malevolent sorceress named Morwenna, who sought to drain the life from Eldoria to fuel her own power. A fierce battle ensued, with Aara wielding her magic and Kale fighting valiantly at her side. Just when hope seemed lost, Finn darted through the shadows, distracting Morwenna long enough for Aara to unleash a spell of light that shattered the curse. With the darkness lifted, the kingdom blossomed once more, and Kale, free from his burdens, pledged to protect Eldoria alongside Aara. As they returned to Eldenwood, the village erupted in celebration, and Aara realized that true magic lay not just in spells, but in friendship, courage, and the bonds that unite them all.